Well, this is an update on Logan's progress. I think this is week 9. We had went in the hospital, I think, last Friday. Got out on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday at home, and then Friday back in the hospital again. So this is Saturday. So it's just between just the 2 weeks, it's just exhausting for all of us. It's just a lot of back and forth. And then next week, we get out of the hospital on Monday, home on Tuesday. Wednesday, we got to go back to the hospital for some, like 2 MRI and a CAT scan. And then Thursday, I got to go back for PET scan. And then back in the hospital on Friday. So this 3 weeks is super exhausting. It doesn't seem to end. And then he's got, so that would be, I don't know what day it is, but after the next week, I think we get a week or so off, and then he's got to go in for surgery, and that's gonna suck. It's gonna suck bad, and so they have to go in and remove the tumor, but we don't know if they're going to do reconstruction of the leg, or he might have to have his leg amputated. So it's kind of a challenging time for both of them, or all of us. We don't know what to expect. We don't know what we're getting into. So that's the only update I have. It's just steady as it goes. There's nothing, he's getting his chemo. This chemo's not that bad, but the next round of chemo, he usually comes home. He's got an upset stomach for a week and a half. So I don't know. He doesn't look forward to any of it. We don't. It's just draining. So you guys know what you need to do. Hit up the GoFundMe, please. Anything helps. I appreciate the support. Our family really appreciates the support. It helps me do what I have to do with family. I haven't been working very much. Maybe sometimes 3 days a week, sometimes 4 days a week. I don't think I've had a full week of work since, I don't know, first part of February. I've had, first part of February, I had 2 weeks off, and then I haven't worked maybe 2 5-day weeks. Maybe 3 from the second week of February. So it's been very challenging financial, wise, because I just haven't been able to work. I gotta take care of the family. There's nothing I can do. Luckily, my employer is very understanding, and I appreciate that. But it's, between prescriptions and everything else, it's just financially draining too. So I appreciate the help. The family appreciates the help. So, like I said, anything else, hit up the GoFundMe, and I appreciate it. Thank you very much. We will see you on the next update.